This one is one of my personal favorites. The step aerobics workout will help you burn fat and stay fit while stepping up and down on a stepper or platform. So if you don't have a stepper, you can even use your stairs at home. Feel all those hip and leg muscles burn, which you never knew even existed. I am so pumped about this one, so let's get started.
Now what you're gonna do is, with the right foot, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Let's go. No arms, keep your hands on your hips or your waist. Up, up, down, down. Full foot up. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Okay, stick to this. Now this tap is going to become a knee up. So no tap, just lift the knee. So step, knee, down, down. Step, knee, down, down. Easy. Let's add some arms to increase the intensity. Okay, watch my arms. Shoulder, up. Shoulder, down, shoulder, up, shoulder, down. Catch your breath. Okay, now next, what we are going to do is 2 times single knee, and the third time we'll do a 3-part repeater. Again, 2 singles and then a repeater. Okay? Half tempo first. Let me lead it for the first time and then we'll do it together. Here we go. Single. Second also single. Now, 3 knees. 1, 2, 3.